are doing a mega unboxing. You can see we have several number of cartoons here. I have purchased everything from Amazon in the last summer sale, and we will unbox, and this is a surprise for you all. You all know that we have been making videos for the past 5 years for YouTube, but this is the very first time we are thinking to start like a pro. We will be using Sony DSLR camera from now, and we will stop using our iPhone to shoot the video. So let's begin the unboxing now. First, I don't know what is this. We will just open the wrap. Oh. So this is the food for Bruno. This is the food for Bruno. So let's begin the unboxing with the bigger box. This is the largest of all, and we will first open this box and let's check what is this. So yes, so this is the Sony camera, and they have also sent the camera carry case along with this packet. So this is unusual. Generally they send only the camera piece, but they have also sent the cover. So this is the case for carrying camera. It's of good quality, and this here is the handle. It's wrapped with a paper tape. We will just open it. So this bag just has 2 slots. This for camera body, and I think a smaller lens can fit here, and for putting the adapters and the batteries. This is the case. Front opening of the case can help in putting out the batteries here. Yes. Now this is the mirrorless camera from the house of Sony. This is the Alpha series camera, and it is Alpha 6400 series. This was launched in 2021, and it's a budget camera, but comparing to other brands, this is doing very best in the market. From this camera we can record 4K HDR video, and the limit for recording time is the time is not limited in this recording. So we will check out the camera and content of the box here. The box is totally sealed. This is the 64 GB original memory card from the Sony. They have provided this with the camera. This is the information about microphones and shotgun microphone to use with the camera, and the price range start from 7,290. Also they have given a registration benefit. We will register for this product later. This is the warranty card from the dealer. This is about battery information, and this thing is the lens setup guide. So this camera has E-mount. E-mount is a popular mounting series in Sony option, and we have Tamron, Sigma, and many other brands who are providing lens for the E-mount. It also provides direction for use here. Is the power cable. The strap that mentions Alpha, and so the brand Sony is also written on it. This is the power adapter. This here is the battery. This is the front case to put on viewfinder. USB, micro USB cable, And the last thing is camera. SD card is pasted here. Check this out. This is the camera. It also comes with a lens cap. Lens cap is placed on it, and they have also provided f3.5 to f5.6 16 to 15 mm optical power zoom lens with the camera. The camera is looking great, and we have multiple control option here. This is the revolving dial to change your setup from video, photos, etc. And this here is the flash. No, this here is the mount. Here it is viewfinder, and this is the inbuilt flash for the camera. The best thing about this camera is it's an all-weather camera. We can use it anywhere in any climatic condition. This camera can be easily used in hilly terrains, beaches, and other places. So you can take it, and this is very portable also. You can take it anywhere and use it in a very friendly manner. And we will move next to accessories, and I will put out the review of this camera later. And I will also tell you the price. The price mentioned here is 90,990. Check this. But I got this for 88,000 in the Amazon sale. So I got 2,000 discount in the summer sale. So I will be putting out the review later after putting the batteries and starting the camera. I will first learn to use the camera properly. Okay. So I will now in next we will see the other accessories that we have purchased from Amazon. So next we are checking what's inside this package. Oh, so this is the tempered glass for camera. I purchased this for $299. The camera has 1080p TFT display of 1.9 inches. So let's check inside. So this is the tempered glass. We will also put it tomorrow. Coming to the next package. Okay, so this is the shotgun mic from Sony. It's a omnidirectional mic. You can check the price here. The price for this mic is 10,290 rupees. I have got this for 9,700. This is very good for vloggers and those who make YouTube video with a single camera. So this catches your sound very clearly as it is an omnidirectional mic. So we'll look at the content of this package now. So this is a user guide and lot of general directions. So this is the 3.5 mm cable to connect the mic to the camera. This is the cat piece. This is used to cover the camera, cover the mic, and this is the Sony shotgun mic. Check this. Here it's a mic. Check this. Here it's a 3.5 mm port, auxiliary port, and this mounts inside the camera. We will put the cover here. Coming to the next package. Yes, this is the Sony grip. This is also used as a gimbal, and this has a wireless control. So it has lot of special buttons that are on camera. So you can control it directly from the gimbal. The cost of this is 10,590 rupees, but I have got this for 10,000 rupees in the sale. So it's 500 discount for me. Okay, let's check inside the package. This is advisory and how to use, and this is a pouch for keeping the gimbal. And let's check the gimbal. this is the gimbal, and this has some screw cap function here to place the camera, and rotary dial is here, and you can check here. This also converts into a tripod. If you are a video vlogger, then you can place it in front of you and use the buttons here for easy control of the camera. So we are done with this, and we will check the next package now. This is the smallest and slimmest of all the package. Let's check what's inside this. This here is the 512 GB memory card from Amazon Basics, and this I purchased for camera. The cost of this card is 12,999. This is a STXC card, and this is a micro SD card, but it also comes with a camera adapter. See, and this is the final product, and this is the camera case. It is also from Amazon Basics, and I have purchased this for I have purchased this for 1300, but the MRP is 2899. It's about 2900 rupees. And I will open and check how the bag is. And it's very portable also. This can be easily carried around anywhere with you. See this. It has ample space. And this is also waterproof cover for the bag. So this, we can place the camera here. All the lens and mounts can be placed in this place. We can also place a tripod, a small size tripod here, and it has also different packets for putting the battery and the chargers. This bag, the build quality of this bag is very good, and you can see it has a very nice padding also to protect your camera, and it has an ample space, and it can be used to accommodate more than 5 to 6 lenses. So this is our unboxing today, and we will soon place out the review in the next week after using the camera. So stay tuned to this channel, and please like and subscribe and share our videos.